Shomenuchi Ikkyo, 5th cue test required. He's striking straight to the head. I'm connecting here. This hand's coming up just below the elbow. When I do this, I'm also sliding out at a slight angle and cutting. This cutting is a turning of the body. Shift your feet, he strikes, connect, cut. As I cut down, this hand is wrist to wrist, rotates to connect. Step in, 1, 2, inside knee goes down to lock the shoulder. This hand then comes from here, grab, bring this down, knee comes up, just above the elbow to pin. One more time. He strikes, connect, slide up, cut down, 1, 2, knee down, lock, down, set. That's the entering called omote. Turning or ura. He's striking, I step, cut, turn. And the same pin. One more time. So, slowing it down, he's connecting, but I'm stepping behind. This hand's coming underneath the elbow, and now I'm dramatically pivoting. From here, I step back, turn, and down the pin. Last time.